Hi everybody, it's me, Emily. So the video you're about to watch is a video of my sister and I in our natural habitat, being silly, doing what we love, trying to give each other a makeover and be beautiful, having fun, and most of all, just, enjoying each other's company. This video is somewhat informational, a little bit of a tutorial, kind of a review from an average human's point of view, but mostly just a pleasure for my sister and I to hang out together, to have fun and enjoy each other's presence. So I hope you enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed making it, because it definitely brought joy to both of our hearts. And let's just get straight into the video of testing out the Revlon One-Step Volumizer hair dryer. Also, at this point, I'd like to go ahead and remind you to please subscribe if you like my content. I love seeing people watch my videos. It makes my heart so happy. Also, give this video a thumbs up and let's just get into it and see how we did. So for Christmas, my sister and I got my mom the new Revlon Volumizer hair dryer brush thing. And of course, we obviously have to try it out before she can ever use it to show her how to use it. So I'm about to take a shower and wash my hair so that we can test out the Revlon brush. So it is specifically this brush that I have currently chilling in my sink right here, the Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So I'm about to wash my hair and let's just see how this goes. Okay, so towel hair. Yeah, we're just gonna start with some towel wet hair. And so I'm gonna be using the Redken's 25 Benefit 1 United. This is really great. It smells super yummy. Disclaimer, I am not a hairdresser by any means. No, a hairdresser's one squirted in your eye. Be blind. Okay, so we're just gonna start by brushing out the tangles. My hair is a tangle. I'm just getting a nice clean base for us to work with.
Sarah has brushed hair before. We have never used this Revlon hair dryer thing before.
Should I get a clip? Okay, so I'm just gonna take this little claw clip and section her hair behind her ears so we can start on the back half. So, this is a first impression for both of us. I've never used this before. Okay, see, I would say Emily's hair is about medium length, medium short, short medium.
That's small or tall?
Small. Anyway, so with this Revlon curling iron, it has 3 speeds. It has cool, low, and high. We're going to start off on the low setting and go from there. So we're just going to turn this bad boy on and see how it goes.
That was really loud.
Brushing hold the hair.
Are you kind of like doing this, like pulling it in a twist as you do it?
Fancy blowout.
Dry bar who?
Say the same. Would you call mine? Waking up slowly, dreaming of a holy kiss. Always been a dreamer, will you dream with me? If I should lose my way, then we follow.
I did the curl under where obviously I did a lot of turns, and it's just it's flipped out, so I was doing it under.
Or
No,
it's flipping this way?
Flipping out. But did you feel it rotating it under?
No, I couldn't feel it at all. It just felt like you were pulling my hair.
Sorry. This is the strand that I just did. It's about 2 inches of hair, and I was trying to give it a little bit of a tuck under, a little bit of a curl, and it just dried it straight. So I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so
Some really bad hairdresser is doing my hair. 1 out of 5 stars.
So that is the first section, all blow dried, and it's really soft and silky.
I bet because you use the Revlon stuff and I use
Yeah.
your Redken shampoo.
Yeah, she prepped her hair with the Redken's All Soft shampoo and conditioner. And then, like I said at the beginning, we put in some of the Redken's 25 youth spray. And so yeah, it's got like a nice little shine to it. It's very fluffy, got some good volume.
Is it curled under at all?
But no, there's no
curl under?
curls. No curls. So
Well, I don't expect it to be like
obviously it's not gonna be real good curls. Disclaimer, our hair type is naturally straight.
mine's naturally a teeny bit wavier.
Probably a little bit weird, but
Let's see if I can pick this up in my toes.
I bet this would be good for like your bangs.
Yeah, that's honestly the reason I was considering buying myself one, and I was like, that's a waste of money for like just my bangs. I got this with my toes.
Nice.
I'm gonna see about maybe trying to do this part on my own since it's close to my face.
So you want me to do it for that?
Yeah, just keep doing what you've been doing. And Bucky doesn't like it.
You're fine, my girl.
Yeah, do that one tiny strand.
Waking up slowly, dreaming of a holy kiss.
Seriously, you have some good volume in the back.
Yeah, that's nice.
It looks in my hair.
Yeah, I bet it does. I haven't had it blown out since I got it cut. So.
I don't know if this is a blowout.
I mean, eh. Okay, so I want to see if I can do something on that.
Okay. So it's a little bit damp still, right? And then really on this side. Alright, so here's my hair all dried. It did turn out very nice and smooth. I think my hair looks nice. It is all dry. I do like this Revlon hairdryer brush thing. I do think it's nice for if you typically dry your hair and use a brush to style it. I think it helps a lot. You don't have to have two hands, one for a brush and one for a hairdryer. I do not think though that it actually did any better of making my hair like volumized or styled than had I been using just my regular hairbrush and hairdryer. But I do think that my hair looks nice, and it did seem a little bit faster and easier to dry and brush my hair at the same time. So I do like this. Maybe an actual professional would be able to use it even better than we did, but I don't think my sister did a bad job, and I'm glad we got to try it out.
not look hella dark like we're making a weird ass home video. This is our
Drunk.
first lab. What's up, friends? Okay.
I just got electrocuted.
But what?
Hi,
Becky,
babe.
you're gonna knock it over. We're not recording anything.
Oh.
Oh, we haven't been? No, we are. Abby just was like, I just got electrocuted.
I was like, we can always just pretend.
I'm sorry.
Just kidding. Oh, hello.
And my dog's in here now.
Okay.
He's like, I'll just take a nap right here.
Well, there's gonna be like screaming in the background of her.
Yeah, I know. I heard that. I was like, why are they laughing so hard? Like,
Because we did this thing, like, he had the thing on his stomach and I had the other one on my arm, and he like grabbed my hand and it was like electricity.
yes.
No, we're not.
We're also not recording a video at all.
We're trying to record. But we're not professionals. We look like
How was this supposed to take?
Like, I don't even have on my watch. Hopefully it'll be over in like 15
we're
or 20
deleting
minutes.
this video anyway.
The whole thing's gonna be trashed. So it's fine.
We're just having fun
Okay.
filming a YouTube video, trying to like be happy.
Pretending to be fatty.
Well,
Okay.
Bucky was getting upset. That
It's okay,
Yeah.
Bucky can just sit right there.
He
He's not
thought
even
that
in the
one
frame.
of us was dying. He was like,
Aw.
whoa, whoa, whoa,
Okay,
whoa,
okay,
whoa,
goodbye.
Definitely
We're
me.
trying to
Hey, shut the door, leave.
second layer.